We're gonna try to figure out how to clean a lake trout, kind of similar to like a walleye or a rainbow trout. I'm gonna gut it first.
If you've ever cleaned a walleye before or another species of trout, you'll find that these are very, very close to the same.
Look at this. 1 minnow, 2 minnows, 3 minnows, 4 minnows. Come down here to the backbone. Let your backbone slide. I guess there's cheeks in here too. Go down until you hit the spine. Turn and go sideways. Don't go through the spine. All the way down to the tail.
The hardest part about cleaning a lake trout is the Y bones or pin bones. Usually they're a medial line, but these ones are slightly higher in lake trout.
We should have bones. I think I can feel it just like a walleye, but actually these are in a different spot. Usually they're right down the center line, but these ones are a little bit off center. I think that's them. This meat is really soft. I do notice that compared to the other fish.
Looks like you're doing a decent job.
Yeah, I just make sure I get all the bones this time. That'll ruin your meal real quick. I'm excited. I've never had lake trout before.
This clip was taken from one of our most recent lake trout adventures. And if you're a fisherman, you've got to check this out. It'll change the way you look at fishing videos. I'm Bryce from Bloodline Adventures, and I will see you there.